Want to create this beautiful shiny effect in Photoshop to give your portrait more depth and dimension with just few clicks. And the best part, you can fully control where the shine appears and how intense it looks. So let's get started. So here is the image we'll be working with, and our goal is very simple. We want to create a natural shiny glow effect on her skin, especially on the chin, cheeks, nose and forehead area to give the portrait more depth and dimension. First, create a brightness adjustment layer and increase the brightness just like this. So the image will look overexposed now. Don't worry, this is where actually magic starts. Now double click on the right side of the brightness contrast adjustment layer. This will open the layer style window. Now come into the underlying layer option. This actually controls where the brightness effect will appear based on the tone of the original image. Okay. Now look at the black triangle here. Click and drag it to the right. Okay, just move the image here and now drag the black triangle to the right. As you move it, you can see the brightness effect disappears from the darker shadow area, while mostly it is on the highlighted area. That exactly what we want. But now the transition is really harsh. Look at the edges. We want a smooth transition. For this, press and hold Alt or Option key and click on the triangle to split. Now move it to the right or left. And find a smooth transition or blend it properly, just like this. Okay, now look at the chin area. This looks perfect and natural, but other areas like the nose, forehead, cheeks, they are looking overexposed. Honestly, different parts of the face need different amounts of shine. Now instead of creating multiple layers for every single area, I'm keeping everything in one layer because later on with the brush tool, I can manually control or reduce the effect later. So I'm going with like this. Now just press hit OK. And now click on the white layer mask, press Command and I or Control and I to fill the mask with a black color. Okay. Now pick a soft white brush. Okay. Make sure the hardness is 0% and your foreground color is white. Let's go with the opacity 100% fast and paint on the scene area as it was the perfect. Okay, so I'm just painting here and now reduce the opacity to around 30%. Let's go with the 30% and paint on the other areas to build the shine like this. You can reduce the opacity more if you want more control. So paint and build your shine and control your intensity. So I think it's looking good. Here is the before and here is the after. Look at this. You can also reduce the opacity from here. And another thing, you can just double click on the adjustment layer icon and open the brightness option and decrease or increase the brightness to give it a perfect look. So here is the before and here is after. So that's it. It's a very easy way to create a skin shine in Photoshop and give your portrait more depth and dimension. I hope you love this video. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe.